Hello aspirants and all the students in second year, third year, final year. So I have total 19 courses for GATE aerospace preparation. In these 19 courses, a very popular course is Plus Pro program. So in this Plus Pro program, I am running an offer. This offer will be only for June month. In this offer further you have two different dates. From now onwards till June 20th you have offer 1, and then from June 28th, sorry, from June 1st to June last you have offer 2nd. Offer 1 is more beneficial. If you miss offer 1, then you have to take offer 2. Means entire June you have offer running for this Plus Pro course. Now if you don't know about all these 19 courses, then go to description. So there you'll be having entire different types of playlist and video link. So there you'll be having a course link. Okay, so in that course link I have explained all 19 courses with their fee structures. Okay, in case if you are missing this offer, then you have to go as a regular way. Now what you get in Plus Pro course, you get everything whatever you are expecting. Everything you get live class, you get recorded video lectures of the particular class and of the previous year batch. Okay, like for 2023 if you're preparing, so whatever classes is done in 2023, whatever classes, those videos also, and for 2022 batch whatever classes we have taken, the entire video course you'll be getting in this Plus Pro program. All books and all assignment PDFs you'll be getting. Every day one-to-one doubt session. This is very important, and this is only in Plus Pro program. And immediate support for your doubts. If you are enrolled into Plus Pro program, then whatever doubts you'll be having, immediately you will contact me and I will solve your doubt. Now formula book, all types of revision book, and handwritten notes, all these things you will be getting under this program of Plus Pro course. All types of online test series with detailed solution, and in some test series if questions are tough, then there I have given video solutions as well. Separate live class for or you can say separate doubt session for test series. Like this is a very special thing when you'll be solving test series. There in test series whatever doubt session will be, you'll be having, for that we have a dedicated doubt session class. And very important, personal level call support. Whatever doubt you have, whatever nervousness you have, and everything, if you have taken Plus Pro course program, so under this I solve everything, I take very personally on call. Okay, so this was about Plus Pro program. Now fees of Plus Pro program is actually reduced for this June month under an offer. So to know this offer, you just contact me if you are really interested to join GATE Aerospace, because now you guys are looking for this very good question, like how to prepare for GATE Aerospace exam. So if you are not able to afford all the 19 courses, then you go for Plus Pro offer. Okay, immediately grab this offer, and to know more, contact me on WhatsApp.